starting a business can be intimidating, especially if you don't have a lot of money to invest. However, it is not impossible to start a company with no money. By following the right steps and making the most of your resources, you can turn your dream of being an entrepreneur into a reality. In this video, we'll guide you through every step of starting a company with no money and provide tips and tricks to help you along the way. You are welcome to Wealth Mirror, a place where aspiring billionaires find their inspiration. If you are new here, consider subscribing and turn on the notifications so won't miss other interesting videos like this. These are the step-by-step guide to start your business with zero money. Step 1. Identifying your passion and skills. The first step in starting any business is to identify your passion and skills. You need to be passionate about what you are doing because starting a company is a long and challenging process. It's not just about making money, you need to have a purpose and a mission that drives you forward. Consider what you love doing, what you're good at, and what problems you can solve with your skills. This will help you determine what kind of business you want to start. Once you know your skills and passion, research the market to determine if there is a demand for your product or service. Are there other companies doing something similar? What are the gaps in the market that you can fill? Understanding your customers' needs and what they are looking for will help you create a successful business. Step 2. Conducting market research on a budget. Market research is critical to the success of any business. It helps you understand your target audience and their needs, what your competition is doing, and what opportunities exist in the market. However, market research can be expensive, and as a new entrepreneur with limited resources, you need to be creative. Here are some cost-effective ways to conduct market research. 1. Use free online tools such as Google Trends, social media, and online forums to understand your target audience's behavior, preferences, and pain points. 2. Attend industry events and conferences to network, learn about the latest trends, and gain insights from experts. 3. Conduct surveys and focus groups to get feedback from potential customers. You can use online survey tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms to save on costs. 4. Analyze your competition's strengths and weaknesses. Look at their website, social media, and customer reviews to understand what they are doing well and where you can differentiate yourself. Step 3. Bootstrapping your business. Creative ways to start with no funds. Bootstrapping means starting and growing your business with little to no external funding. It requires creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to do things differently. Here are some ways to bootstrap your business. 1. Start small by offering your product or service to friends and family or at local events. This will help you refine your offering and get feedback before launching to a broader audience. 2. Use your existing skills and resources to create your product or service. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can use your skills to create your website and marketing materials. 3. Find a co-founder or partner who shares your vision and has complementary skills. This will help you share the workload and leverage each other's strengths. 4. Consider crowdfunding as a way to raise funds. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to showcase your idea and raise funds from a community of supporters. Step 4. Building a strong network and leveraging partnerships. Networking is essential to the success of any business. It helps you build relationships, gain valuable insights, and create opportunities. Here are some tips for building a strong network. 1. Attend networking events and conferences to meet like-minded people and potential customers. 2. Join online communities and forums related to your industry to learn from experts and connect with potential partners. 3. Reach out to mentors or advisors who can provide guidance and support. 4. Collaborate with other businesses or individuals who share your values and vision. This can help you leverage each other's strengths and create mutually beneficial partnerships. Step 5. Utilizing free or low-cost tools and resources. Starting a business can be expensive, but there are many free or low-cost tools and resources that you can use to get started. Here are some examples. 1. Use free online tools like Google Drive, Trello, and Slack to manage your team and stay organized. 2. Take advantage of free courses and resources online to learn new skills and improve your knowledge. 3. Use free or low-cost marketing tools like social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your business and reach your target audience. 4. Consider using open source software for your website or other business needs. Step 6. Creating a lean business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. However, as a new entrepreneur with limited resources, you don't need a complex business plan. A lean business plan is a simplified version that focuses on the most critical elements of your business. Here are the key components of a lean business plan. 1. Executive summary, a brief overview of your business and its mission. 2. Problem and solution, an explanation of the problem you're solving and how your product or service solves it. 3. Target market, a description of your target customers and their needs. 4. Marketing and sales, your marketing and sales strategy, including how you plan to reach your target audience and generate revenue. 5. Team, an overview of your team and their roles. 6. Financials, a projection of your revenue and expenses for the first year. Step 7. Marketing your business on a shoestring budget. Marketing is crucial to the success of any business, but it can be expensive. As a new entrepreneur with limited resources, you need to be creative and use cost-effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Here are some tips. 1. Use social media to promote your business and engage with your target audience. Choose the platforms that your target audience uses the most and create a consistent brand message across all channels. 2. Create valuable content that provides value to your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, webinars, and podcasts. 3. Leverage influencer marketing by partnering with influencers in your industry who have a large following and can promote your product or service to their audience. 4. Attend local events and conferences to promote your business and network with potential customers. Step 8. Scaling your business with limited resources. Scaling your business requires resources, but as a new entrepreneur with limited funds, you need to be strategic. Here are some tips for scaling your business with limited resources. 1. Focus on your most profitable product or service and invest in its growth. 2. Leverage automation and technology to streamline your operations and save time and money. 3. Hire freelancers or part-time employees who can help you scale without committing to full-time salaries. 4. Look for strategic partnerships or collaborations that can help you reach new audiences and increase your revenue. Case studies. Successful businesses started with no money. Many successful businesses started with little to no money. Here are some examples. 1. Airbnb started as a way for founders Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia to make some extra cash by renting out air mattresses in their apartment during a conference. Today, Airbnb is a multi-billion-dollar company. 2. MailChimp started as a side project by co-founder Ben Chestnut, who wanted to create a way for small businesses to send email newsletters. Today, MailChimp has millions of users worldwide. 3. Toms started by Blake Mycoskie, who was inspired to create a company that would give back. For every pair of shoes purchased, Toms donates a pair to a child in need. Today, Toms has expanded to include eyewear and other products and has donated millions of shoes to children in need. Conclusion: starting a business with no money is not easy, but it is possible. By identifying your passion and skills, conducting market research on a budget, bootstrapping your business, building a strong network, utilizing free or low-cost tools and resources, creating a lean business plan, marketing your business on a shoestring budget, and scaling your business with limited resources, you can turn your dream of being an entrepreneur into a reality. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about creating a purposeful and fulfilling life. So, go ahead and take the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. Now that you have learned how to start your company with no money, it's time to take action. Start by identifying your passion and skills and conducting market research to determine the demand for your product or service. Remember, starting a business is a long and challenging process, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends on social media, and do watch more videos on our channel. We love you.